Frequently asked questions. Awesome. So now you have completed the whole circle and have learned how to operate the LinkedIn for Business platform on your own. But it might happen that you will find yourself in need of a helping hand along the way on things that may only surface while you grow on the platform. Thinking about that, we have designed a frequently asked questions video with a curated list of questions that are frequently asked even by advanced LinkedIn for Business users. So let's take a look at some of the things that you can be prepared to solve the easy way sometime in the future. Is it a good idea to include contact information in the name or in the headline information fields on LinkedIn? Will that increase your chances at getting more connections? You can do that because it isn't something that goes against LinkedIn's terms of service, but you shouldn't do it because on one hand it looks pretty unprofessional. In fact, doing that will make your profiles and company pages look like outright scams. On the other hand, it reduces the space that you should be dedicating to keywords that can actually help your business to be found, and that can also help your pages to improve their search engine rankings. Is it a good practice to include your contact information even when you have a company page for your business already populated with information about your business? Yes. Your contact information should be part of your profile. Remember that you are on LinkedIn to widen your business's reach, and your contact information is a great way to organically market yourself as a representative of your business. Of course, this contact information should be through your own business to further increase the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. To give you an example, the email address in your profile should be under the domain name of your business website and not under a generic email provider such as Gmail. Another example is your phone number, which should be your work phone and not your personal phone number. Including this information in your profile also increases your business's visibility on search engines because it is indexed from your LinkedIn profile, from your company's pages, and from your company website. This is organic marketing in its purest form. How often should you update your business profiles and company pages? Well, there is not a single outline of how often you should update your profiles and pages on LinkedIn. The best practice is to update them as regularly as needed. This is because constant activity helps your profiles and pages to be perceived as being in line with market trends. Can you back up your profiles and pages? Yes. You can back up your profiles and pages by going to the three-dotted button on the top of the screen, so you can save a copy of your profile or page in PDF format. Is there a way to track the performance of your business marketing efforts on LinkedIn that can give you the whole picture? There is actually a way to easily track how well you're performing as a business marketer on the LinkedIn platform by keeping a 90-day record of the following information during that time frame. Number of connections made, the number of profile or page views, how many times your business appears in search results, the number of emails and sponsored emails, how many business operations have surfaced, and how many updates and content posts you have shared. What happens if there's already a company page for your business on LinkedIn? It can happen that someone has already created a page for your company right before you create it. This mostly happens when people working for your organization or that are part of your organization in some way create a company page to be added to the profiles to showcase their work experience or the place where they are currently working. In such cases, you can easily claim ownership of the company page by clicking the three-dotted button on the top of the company page and clicking on Claim This Page from the drop-down menu. Just remember that before claiming ownership of a page, you need to add and confirm the email address that you use at your company and to list your current position within the company in your profile. What are the steps to become successful at marketing on LinkedIn? As anything else in life, marketing your business on LinkedIn is no magic bullet. But the simple act of creating a profile and a company page on the platform is a great start. Of course, there are some things that you can do in order to achieve greater success as a LinkedIn marketer. First, you have to create powerful profiles and company pages that complement each other. Your profile and the company page for your business should be set up as different organs of the same entity, because information about your business on both placements is great for driving organic outreach. Secondly, you have to build a network. Do not wait to get followers just because you joined an industry group. You need to be proactive in reaching out to the people that are most likely to connect with your brand. A great way to establish authority as a marketer and as a brand on LinkedIn is by constantly responding to queries made by people in your industry in the questions and answer section. So how does LinkedIn work for businesses if they want to drive sales when LinkedIn is better suited for people looking for jobs and recruiters? It works because marketing a business, a product, or a service on LinkedIn is a great way to drive sales of customers that are in a different league, such as managers, distributors, and investors from overseas. We hope that you can use this information to get lots of business opportunities, as well as qualifying leads and useful insights.